Ubersuggest Honest Review. Watch before using. Ubersuggest is a keyword research tool designed by Neil Patel to help businesses and content creators improve their SEO and drive traffic. With features like keyword suggestions, content ideas, site audits, and backlink tracking, it's a popular choice for SEO beginners and experts alike. But is it worth it? First, let's talk about keyword research. Ubersuggest offers a user-friendly keyword tool that provides data on search volume, competition level, and cost per click (CPC), making it easy to find relevant keywords with potential to rank. Beyond keywords, it suggests content ideas based on popular topics in your niche, which is great for sparking ideas that have a high chance of performing well on Google. One standout feature is the site audit tool, which scans your website and highlights issues that could impact your rankings. It's incredibly helpful, especially for identifying technical SEO issues like slow page load speeds or broken links. The audit provides a score and breaks down what needs fixing in simple terms, making it accessible even for those with limited technical knowledge. Ubersuggest also tracks your website's backlinks, showing you where you're earning links and highlighting high-authority sites linking back to your content. This insight is valuable for building a backlink strategy and understanding your website's credibility in the eyes of Google. Now, who is Ubersuggest best for? It's ideal for freelancers, small business owners, and marketers on a budget who need an all-in-one SEO tool without breaking the bank. The free version offers limited daily searches, but the premium options are affordable compared to other SEO platforms. However, Ubersuggest does have its limitations. It lacks some of the in-depth features found in advanced tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush, particularly in the backlink and competitor analysis sections, which might be limiting for large-scale SEO campaigns. Overall, Ubersuggest is a solid tool for those starting out in SEO or looking for a budget-friendly alternative to pricier tools. If you're an established agency or need deep-dive data, it may fall short. But for everyday SEO needs like keyword research, site audits, and backlink tracking, Ubersuggest provides real value at an accessible price point.